For decades, flooding has been a problem, and instead of getting better, it only seems to be getting worse. But in one community in Cavite, residents have had enough of the mud and the floods. They prove that if the government can find a way to keep the water out, they'll do it themselves. Using tubular steel, plain sheets and foam, the residents build their own flood barrier.
Taon-taon po talaga bumabaha po dito, lalo na't kapag po malakas yung ulan po. At yun po dahil catch basin po to.
Residents here have their own barriers for their homes, and each alley has one too. But how much did this cost?
Umabot po ng 5 to 6K. Tapos po, yung expenses po ay nag-ano po lang kami, share na lang po sa looban. Yun po.
Mas maganda. Oo, makakalit, may budget tayo. Kaya natin kumuha nito.
And while the flooding problem remains, the people of Noveleta have already found ways to improve their DIY defense.
Kasi ano lang talaga to, kahoy.
Oo.
Saka ang pang-ipit lang po namin, hindi po sponge, basahan lang. Tapos yung kahoy po, unti-unting nasira. Kaya po ito, nag-improvise po kami ng bakal na po. At mas naming napagtanto, mas maganda po yung sponge.
For these residents, a few thousand pesos and some improvisation have provided a measure of protection against flooding. But their homegrown solution also comes as government flood control spending faces intense scrutiny. Billions of pesos have been allocated for flood projects, even as authorities investigate alleged ghost projects, substandard work, and projects left unfinished.